Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So this is it, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver, brand new, still sealed. And small detail, it's not mine, it's hers.
Yeah, somehow you convinced me to open up my new phone.
If I drop it, does that make it mine?
No, that makes it broken. Ow.
So this is a classic Apple, silver finish on the front, triple cameras right there staring at you, and check this, still paper packaging, no plastic seals anymore. You just pull this little tab.
Ah, that's the best sound of tech.
Okay, let's open this thing up. Holy, can I take it? Please?
Yes, but I changed my mind. I'm not gonna put any case on it.
Look at the difference between the 16 Pro Max and 17 Pro Max.
Yeah, almost same size.
Yeah, almost. Yeah.
Just a little bit, yeah, difference in the height.
Oh yeah, there is. There's a little difference in height. This one's thicker, no?
The new one, yes, heavier and a little bit thicker. Can I touch my phone?
Yes, you can touch your phone now. You feel the difference?
Sure, yeah.
No longer need a physical SIM.
So that means I don't need to just transfer my SIM to the new one?
No. Look at the corners are a little bit curved here too. You guys see this here? It's a little bit curved in the corners. Anyways, I saw videos of people popping this thing out, but...
That's fake.
That's fake, right? Yeah. They went to aluminum body, that's why. They changed from titanium to aluminum.
And this is anti-scratch?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Basically, the aluminum body is lighter, and also it's better for heating and cooling. That's another thing too. All right, let's open this up. Wow, the silver 17 Pro Max. Almost looks too clean to touch.
Yeah, don't touch it without the case.
The silver is way shinier. It's almost like polished steel. And it feels solid, definitely heavier than last year, you're right.
But heavier means usually bigger battery.
Yeah, that's why.
I never had any issue with the 16 Pro Max battery though.
But this year changes are very big.
This year they changed it from 1 terabyte to 2 terabyte.
That's crazy. It's more than most laptops. You could shoot hours of 4K video and still have space left. That's nuts. This has the new A19 chip, plus the vapor chamber cooling. So it's basically doesn't heat up as fast if you're gaming and editing. You could edit a YouTube video on this thing and it would still feel smooth. 2 terabyte storage and the A19 chip is a deadly combination of basically having a laptop right in your palm, pretty much. Display-wise, same 6.9 inches, but it's way brighter. 3000 nits peak. That's a huge jump, and there's an anti-reflective coating. Even in direct sunlight, you can actually see your screen clearly.
I actually like the brightness because you cannot complain when we're outside that you don't see anything.
We're outside in the sun, like you can't even see anything, but...
Yeah.
Okay, so the cameras are triple 48 megapixel, but the quality is a lot better. Front camera is 18 megapixel center stage, which is different than the old 16 Pro Max. Video calls and everything else is much sharper. FaceTime and WhatsApp videos, yeah. The battery is a big one. It's got a larger cell, about 39 hours playback compared to 33 on the 16 Pro Max. And charging is much faster too. 50% in about 20 minutes if you got the right charger, which of course, they don't give you in the box. Compared to last year, it's smoother, brighter, better cameras, longer battery, faster charging. Pretty much every area got an upgrade.
Yeah, I really love this phone and I'm gonna put a case on it before you breathe on it.
Fair enough. This silver finish is way too clean to risk scratches. All right, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. Unboxed and tested. If you want to see more gaming test, day in the life in a battery challenge, or even a camera showdown, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stick around. Build for tech, and we'll catch you in the next one.